All right, I'm back with just a slightly shorter case study review. You may recognize this interface, which is basically a music app or a playlist app. All right, so you've got to log in. It uses Firebase, Google Firebase Authentication to log in or to sign up. And in this version here, it's really much more reverse than robust than the audiobook one that I just created on the quick. This is there's different users that have different playlists, but I'm not logged in. I'm not logged in, but I could go to a playlist and listen to a piece of music. So this individual likes house music, especially old school house. And they can click on link on one of the icons and listen to it. You won't be able to hear anything, I don't believe, but it's connected using the embed code that YouTube provides. Okay, so as you can see, I've just updated this, and the main thing was the individual modal teleporting. I've got that working in this particular application, so I just have to update with adding the new materials here. And then, so for example, I can go ahead and I can log in. Let's see, let's find one. Let's find out who we want to log in as. So for example, the Ultimate 80s Alternative Classic Mix by Ryu here. I can click here. I'm gonna go. So they have a few here. The Cure and the Smiths. I'm going to go ahead and log in here. And I'm going to log in as this individual. Add google.com and then the password. And then we'll go ahead and just log in. Okay, no, not now. Don't want to save that. So now I'm logged in, and notice the interface update. Okay, so now I have a new link, which is my playlist app. I can create a new playlist under this user, all right, or I can view this particular playlist here, right? And then this also includes the ability to add additional songs, or I can delete a particular song that has a confirmation alert that will pop up, and I'll say cancel because I don't want to delete it right now. And then I could delete this entire list, this whole thing, if I want to, as the user that created this playlist. And again, there's the user's name here. And so there's a little sparse here. I'm going to add one for just a quick and dirty demo. So I just add here. So I just added a couple of fields. Before it was just the song title and the artist. But I wanted to go ahead and make this a little bit more robust so it actually plays some music. And I'm using YouTube as the repository or the place where I'm getting the music from, right? I could use any sort of backend if I wanted to design it. So I'm gonna go off screen here. I'm just gonna grab the embed code, and then I want to go ahead and grab the URL code, and this is needed because this is what gives us the thumbnail. I just didn't go through the time to parse out because that information is actually duplicated within here, and you just have to go through it and parse it out. And there's some JavaScript magic that can happen. I just chose to do the quick and dirty way for now. So we grab this, which is the name of the artist, and then the title of the song is Zombie, right? So when I click this, it should add the new song. And voila, there it is. And if we want to listen to it, we can click on it. I can play it from here, and it begins the whole video. If you don't hear any audio from the computer, that's fine. My video capture program is not allowing that at this time, but you can see the video in the background, right? So again, if I log out, again, I could still go to that same playlist, but I don't have the ability to delete or edit anything, right? I can only view the actual video, okay, and then so on and so forth, right? So again, I wanted to just keep this really quick. just as an update. And I like to tinker around. I do it all the time, just to keep my skills sharp, and because it's it's what I do. I like this aspect of the many vocations that I have under my belt, which is web design, web development, graphic design, so on and so forth. So there you have it, just a quick and dirty interview, and our review demo, I should say, quick and dirty review. And I'm going to go ahead and kind of make this application robust with all of the actual videos on here, just because. And there you have it.